Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. Introduction. The Ford Mustang GT 2018-2023 is a true American muscle car, blending power, style, and modern tech. With its aggressive looks, roaring V8 engine, and thrilling performance, it continues to be a favorite among car enthusiasts. Let's dive into what makes the Mustang GT an icon on the road. Interior design. Step inside the Mustang GT, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials, a digital instrument cluster, and sporty bucket seats. The mix of retro styling and modern tech, including sync infotainment and customizable ambient lighting, creates a perfect blend of comfort and performance-driven design. Exterior design. The Mustang GT's exterior screams power with its signature tri-bar LED headlights, bold front grille, and muscular body lines. The fastback roofline, aggressive rear diffuser, and quad exhaust tips complete the performance-inspired look, making it stand out on the streets and the track. Market position. The Mustang GT sits in a unique spot, offering muscle car performance at a relatively affordable price. Competing with the Chevrolet Camaro and Dodge Challenger, it strikes a balance between raw power and everyday usability, making it a top choice for those seeking both adrenaline and practicality. Performance. Under the hood, the Mustang GT packs a naturally aspirated 5.0L V8, pushing out over 450 horsepower. Paired with a 6-speed manual or 10-speed automatic, it delivers thrilling acceleration and a signature V8 growl. With track-ready handling and optional MagneRide suspension, it's built for both straight-line speed and corner-carving fun. Thanks for watching. More updates. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, comments, and press bell icon.